Hello, welcome back to another episode of Human Resource Machine. We are at year 16, level 16, absolute positivity, and looks like we might maybe be able to get to another coffee break in this episode, and then after that it's going to be a while. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But a sabbatical beach paradise does sound nice. First, back to work though. Absolute positivity. Okay, let's see. Haha. Positive attitudes were determined to increase productivity and are now therefore mandatory. Smile. Management is watching. Alright, we'll keep smiling here. Send each thing from the inbox to the outbox, but if a number is negative, first remove its negative sign. Alright. Okay. We go to the inbox. If it's negative, we have to do something. And if it's not negative, we go to the outbox and then we loop. Yes. So now we only need to figure out what we do when we do encounter a negative number. I copy to 0, whatever. If I sub from that, -7 minus -7 is 0. -7 is 7. Is that it? Let's see. It is, very nice. Alright, let's see what we need to do to optimize this one. Okay, we got the commands. 40 steps. How do I... How do I avoid some steps? It's always just copying all the lines basically, which makes the steps go down. But I don't know. Is there another way? There has to be a better way, right? Or is that the only way? I can't think of anything else to do. Like I need to loop. I have to have the loop. I have to go to the inbox. I have to, decide if, or like check if something is negative or not. Or do I don't necessarily have to do that actually. But then I have to check if it's 0. Like if I do it this, like if I got rid of the jump, would have 8 minus 8 is 0. Minus 8 is minus 8. So I would turn this one I would turn the positive numbers into negative numbers. So I would have to have a jump if 0, and then instead of sub add. But that doesn't save me any steps. That wouldn't help. Now the question is, if I just copy everything down once more, is it going to be enough to save on steps? I'm not sure actually. Because I save on the jump every second. Did I copy that correctly? I think I did. Let's see if that actually reduces the amount of steps. I think it should, but I'm not sure if it's going to be enough. Oh, it does. Alright, perfect. Yeah, it reduces it. But I think there were 8 numbers maybe, and I think I was at 40, so not doing the jump every second time through saves exactly 4 steps. That's nice. Alright, exclusive lounge. Let's go there. Yes, I've always felt most comfortable with nice, cold, logical decisions. Emotional decisions are for the weak. Alright, for each 2 things in the inbox, send a 0 to the outbox if they have the same sign, both positive or negative. Send a, send a 1 to the outbox if the signs are different. Repeat until the inbox is empty. Alright, so I go to the inbox. Okay, I have the 0 and the 1 there. I copy 2. Do I copy? Okay, so this one is a bit tricky, I think. Like I don't have like a sort of solution in my head right from the get-go here. I copy that. I go to the inbox again. Now I have the second one. It's the best way to check that. Like I have the if negative. I can just run that on both the numbers, but that's going to be very complicated. A lot of jumps, I think. Yeah, because it's hard. I can't do like proper like if else or anything like that. It's very low level code here, which makes it tough to figure out a solution. Is there a mathematical solution that I can use with just addition or subtraction? I don't think so. No, because I don't know the value. Like I can't do like a if negative after the fact. Right? Because I could have like a high positive number. And I can't compare, like, I don't have a, like, less than or greater than, so I can't... Interesting, that's interesting. Okay, so I could potentially even do... Maybe I don't need to... Do I need to save the number? I maybe don't have to, let's see. If I do that, I go to the inbox. If it's negative... I go to the inbox again, and if it's negative again, I copy from 4, because they have the same sign then, and go to the outbox with that. This is tough. And then if it is not negative, I jump all the way down here. And if it's negative, that's not a good solution. Even if I'm not even sure if I can make that work here. I copy from that and go to the outbox. Oh, that's very convoluted already. This is not good. If it's negative, I go here. I go to the inbox. If it's negative, I copy the 0 and I go to the outbox. That's good. If it's negative, I go here. I go to the inbox. I need a jump somewhere. Right here, I think. So if it's negative, I go to the inbox. It's not negative, it's positive. I jump here, copy the 1, go to the outbox. So that's 2 cases where it should work. If it's negative and negative, or if it's negative and after that positive. Both those should work. So if it's positive, I jump here. And if it's negative, now I need the 1, so I'm right here, but if it's not negative, I need to jump back up, grab the 0, go to the outbox. That's very convoluted. Let's see if that even works. Oh, I did not... What happened there? But it's not looped, or that's one thing for sure. What happened? Oh, I'm missing the inbox thing right here. There we go. I think it's the only spot where I'm missing it, right? -4. Yeah, I think that might work now. We just need to loop the entire thing. Let's let it run slowly once more. Go to the inbox, -9, 6. I could copy the 1. -9, 5. Copy the 1. Grab the 4. Copy the 1. That works, yeah. That's a very complicated solution. Yeah, not optimized at all. But it works. That's something at least. 12 or fewer commands. How do I get rid of 2 commands in here? I might be able to like just order it differently, so I might be able to avoid a jump somewhere. But it's already pretty hard because I can't look at the entire thing at once. Why is it? Yeah, I guess it's not that bad. Yeah, that's complicated. Wow. I go to the inbox. If it's negative, I go here. I go to the inbox. If it's negative, I go here. I copy from 4. I go to the outbox. I loop. If it's positive, I ignore this. I jump right here. I get the second item. If it's negative, I go here and copy the 1. If it's positive, I go up here and copy the 0. And then I jump to the outbox. Either way. I'm not sure if I can arrange that any differently in a meaningful like way. Because I have 2 jumps here and 2 jumps here, like in front of both these copies. I don't think I can avoid that. Maybe I can. Let's see. But I don't have a jump if positive. I only have the if negative. So I can only check for that. I have to check for that first. That's the only thing I can't check. And the only way I can like skip ahead is if I do that. I jump over this jump basically, and this jump takes me somewhere else. And I need to separate the two lines. Like I can't have, like I can't avoid the second, like the two iterations for the second item from the inbox, because I need to. I don't have variables. I can't. I can't. I might actually be able. I have variables. Basically, I have the 0 and the 1. I could save those, but I'm not sure if I can save commands with that. Like I could check if it's negative. If it is, I could put like the 0 here. But that helped me. But yeah, I can save. I could save like a binary thing, because I have 0 and 1 here. I could save them in one field and then check that with the if 0. Like copy from and then if 0. But I'm not sure if that would make it any less, you know, convoluted here. Lots of jumps. I want to at least get the 12 commands thing in this episode still. I dropped the screw. Don't know if you heard that. Why am I holding a screw? That's a good question. I don't have an answer for that. It was just lying on my desk and I picked it up while thinking. All right, let's see. I don't know. I don't want to get. I wish I could have like a second like window. Like I would like to see this solution and have a separate one where I can drag the commands to. Like I can only clear this basically. Or I guess I could code under it, but that's going to be... I can copy it. Oh wow, on Notepad or anywhere. That's cool. So can I like... like if I go to my desktop here, does it minimize the game? It does not, so I can open a text document and paste this. And if I copy it back... Oh, that's nice. So I can save the program. Alright, so let's do that. And it's clear. Alright, so I go to the inbox. They have the same sign. So this is the very basic. If they're both negative. I get 1. If it's negative, I go here. If that's negative 2, I copy the 4. I go to the outbox. Yeah, I don't think I could do the variable thing that I was talking about. Could I jump up here? No, because I can't. I don't remember where. Yeah, I don't have a way to remember. A good way to remember where I've been already, so I can't. But actually, I could save something here, right? I could. If it's negative, I go here. If it's not negative, I'm in here. I go to the inbox. If it's negative now... If it's negative now, I go... here. No. I can't do this. can't do it. If it's negative now, so the first one is positive. The first one is positive. I grab the second one. If that one is negative, I need to copy the 5 field thing, and then go to the outbox. I could do it like that, but I need another jump, and I'm already, yeah, it's not gonna work. It's the same. It's basically the same thing I just did. Because now I don't have the 4th possibility yet, and I'm already at 11, and I probably can't do it in one command. Let's see. If it's negative and negative again, then I copy the 0, go to the outbox. But if it's positive now, I go... Does it work? I'm not sure if that works now. I'm not sure if I have other cases. Let's see. Oh, I got an achievement for that. Glorious failure. Solution not robust. Okay, so my solution worked here, but it wouldn't work for... That's interesting. I haven't had that before. I must have missed something. What did I miss? I go to the inbox. If it's negative, I go here. I go to the inbox again. If it's negative, I copy the 0 and jump to the outbox. If it's negative, I go here. I go to the inbox. If it's not negative, I go here. I copy the 1. I go to the outbox. If it's positive, wait, why is there an inbox? Oh no, that makes sense, right? Oh yeah, I'm missing a jump here. That's crazy. So yeah, but that's basically the same program I just wrote. That sucks. Well, I guess we'll optimize this in the next episode, or try to at least. This is tough. Because I need to jump somewhere. Where is it? Here. Because if it's positive and positive again, I need to go here. But now I have 13 commands. I saved 1 command somehow, I think. Actually, I have a bug now. Well, we'll do that in the next episode. How do I... We'll do the beach paradise thing in this episode, and then I'll try to optimize my solution for that one lever in the next episode. Very interesting. Some coffee, always a good idea. It's an interesting beach, kind of dirty, but yeah, I guess it's better than sitting in the office, so there's that. Oh, another milestone unlocked, career milestone 3. Alright, 2 achievements in 1 episode. Yeah, I'll have to think about the optimizations for this lever. I have no idea how to do them at this point, but hopefully I'll have some clue in the next episode, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.